plastic straps, he says. Gonna have to get new wire cutters. The top does lift off, but I thought I'll get the heavy stuff out the top first. So, quick look, quick setup guide. TV is laid flat to assemble. I'll just point that out first. Instruction manual, we'll have a look at that in a moment with accessories. One connect box. I guess it's going to be similar to the other ones. I'll just have a quick look at the quick setup guide while we're on about it. So in there, obviously, lay it flat. This is going to have feet on it. Let's screw in the 2 feet to the back. One connect lead. Doesn't show the retaining screw, but I bet there is. Well, there's the retaining screw. And it's a 2-man lift when you put it on the stand. I'll just shut the box and lift it off the top the way it says. Hopefully nothing falls out. Euronic side coming off on the Samsung side. 8K TV. I'm guessing that's the back of it. I'll just remove those before over. Yeah, just remove the packaging bits. Screen protector. So I don't think we're going to be able to see it without laying it flat, so we may as well, we'll lay it flat on the box. Oh, rubbish. Right. So, as we've just found after frantically searching a box for feet, they're there. So that's going to be the legs at the pedestal stand. And if I pull on it, I guess they're just to stop it shaking in packaging. Here we go, it's slotted in. That's one. That's two. So left, will it focus? There we go, left and right. Cool. So, is it left or right as you look at it? It's going to go in like so. And the other one, oh I see, you can have them central or wide. So I could, if I haven't got a wide TV stand, I could mount it there. Take that out. Or there, if I want it wide. So we've got a wide base that it's going to go on, or a wide stand, so we're going to put it wide for now. Like so. I'll just grab some screws. Right. Well, we're looking for the screws. I'm guessing they're going to be in the instruction book pack. I'm hoping. Somewhere in there. Wall mount washers, screw pack. That's for the one connect lead, so I'll just screw these in first. Cool. I don't know why the feet are marked left and right, because they look symmetrical, to be honest. But there's a cable guide down there as well, but we'll look at that in a moment. So, look at the accessory pack while we're here. Wall mount washers, which will go into those VESA mount holes there. 4 of those, they're actually 400mm apart, which I suppose it should be, it's a 65-inch M8 threads. I'll just quickly look in there. That's the one connect. One connect, no gap wall mount. I'm pretty sure that's the same no gap as the last 2 years, so the old bracket should fit. At least it's got a cover on this one for it. Pop that back. Right. New one connect lead, we'll attach in a moment. That's the pack with a retaining screw, cable guide and the cable curve bit. I'll do the batteries now and the remotes. Mains lead for the one connect box, figure 8. Looks like it's the same premium remote from the there we go, premium remote from the Q9. So it's got the Netflix, Prime Video and Rakuten TV button, volume up and down, channels up and down, voice. AAA batteries. See that flashing? It's trying to pair, but obviously it can't because TV is not on. And we'll just have a quick look, but it's the standard remote that comes with the other TVs in the UK. So that's a standard remote with channel numbers and so on. That's cool. I'm not going to use that, I'll put it back. Put it away, man. User manual. Rarely used. It's inbuilt now anyway. So, quickly attach the one connect. So it's the wide, straight connecting one connect, same as the other 2019 QLEDs. That's in there. Retaining screw, which is in my bag. Small M4 screw. That's it. So, idea on the back of it is, whichever way you want your lead to come down, you can guide it either to that side, down the channel, can come down the middle if it's on the wall, or I'm going to go to this side because it may as well, it's nearest, and then down the leg there, so you shouldn't see any cable. Fingers crossed. I'll just prove a point. Into its guide, down, and it should stay hidden. Cool. I'm guessing it's going to be the same one connect as well as the other models, so it's pretty similar. So, a heavy box. We'll look at the back. So, figure 8 mains in. Dual sat for recording and watching. Freeview terrestrial. CI, but we don't use it. Optical audio out. LAN. HDMI is ×4. HDMI 3 is audio return channel. if it focuses. Oh, there we go. That's the one connect. So while we've got it here, we'll do the little thing. So that's my HD one connect box end. That's into there, and that's it. That's connected, but we'll get it on its stand and turn it on. Oh my goodness! It's not got a screen protector on it. There should be. Oh, up, down, left, right cursor errors and a enter button there. They're usually in the centre, but.
Some of those tales from you, Susan. Congratulations on the book. Thank you very much indeed for joining us, Susan Pate.
Thank you.
Right, let's bring you some breaking news that we're just getting into the BBC at the moment. Several people, we are told, have died in a tourist bus accident in the Portuguese island of Madeira. The number of casualties we do not yet
Looks
know.
quite good,
just to
actually.
repeat, a bus crash.
That's just on standard
I believe,
mode.
a tourist bus.
Out
On
of
the
the
Portuguese
box.
island of Madeira.
So,
We'll bring you more information
retail demo.
as and when we get it.
We are going to do a separate video filmed in 4K of the retail
Now,
demo,
scientists
just so we
have
can
managed
show
to
as much of
partially
the 8K
revive
as possible, because this is in 1080.
4 hours after they were removed from the pigs' bodies. The research at Yale University could...
Nature.
Anyway, I'll get out of the way and shut my mouth.
The scientists that
flick it back to TV. I am going to just do a quick
Now,
picture
universities are
setting
being
thing.
accused of
while I
using
have mine
gagging
at home.
orders to stop bullying, discrimination and sexual misconduct allegations becoming public. Dozens of academics have told the BBC they were harassed out of their jobs and made to sign non-disclosure agreements after making complaints. Figures show UK universities have spent millions in payoffs.
So that's it. It's picture itself on the intelligent mode. It looks quite good, I think, anyway. But I noticed on mine lately I've gone to movie, so it'll go all brown and soft. But then under expert,
After I complained, I was advised to sign an NDA and leave. I ended up hundreds of miles away at a new university, only for the bully to follow me and continue his harassment. I'm depressed and it's crippling my career.
The BBC has spoken to dozens of people who say they felt
that looks
pressurised in society.
fairly similar to where it was a minute ago anyway, doesn't it? But to me that looks pretty natural and good.
One woman said she was disciplined.
That's it, isn't it? Right, we're going to film it in 4K so you can see the demo in 4K.